A decision from Quebec Superior Court provides a partial stay of provisions of Bill 96, the province's French language law, something the English Montreal School Board calls a significant win.
It's a little bit of a complex decision when you read it, so it was somewhat difficult to understand at first, but we're obviously very pleased with the result.
The court stayed parts of the law that would require English school boards to communicate exclusively in French when writing with key institutions of the English-speaking community, like the Quebec English School Boards Association or the English Parents Committee Association of Quebec. The EMSB had challenged the application of amendments to the Charter of the French language, which was adopted in 2002, but that the government only brought into force in June 2023. The board says this was done without any consultation from the English language community. The decision means the EMSB can continue to use English exclusively in many situations.
The next step in terms of our operations as a school board is status quo. So we're able to continue operating the way we always have in the instances where we thought it appropriate to communicate in English. We're going to continue to communicate in English. In the cases where it was appropriate to communicate in both English and French, we're going to continue to communicate in both English and French. And that's going to remain. Then throughout the court system, well, eventually the constitutionality of the provisions of Bill 96 that we're challenging are going to be heard, and we're going to get a decision on that eventually, and this stay is going to be in effect until that time.
In the ruling, the court concluded that the term school service centers in legislation applies to English language school boards, despite the fact that Bill 40 does not apply to English language school boards and that English language school boards are not school service centers. The EMSB's Council of Commissioners will have to decide whether to appeal this part of the ruling.